last video I hope helped you in the sitting position and how to write the strokes in Lucida. Right? Now this video I am going to help you again how to write small letters in Lucida by using 4-ruled book. Now let us see how to write small letters by using the 4-ruled. First we have to write the vowel shape, then L stroke, then I stroke, then J stroke. These are the important strokes which will help us to write small letters very easily. Now take vowel stroke, then I stroke, combined together will form small a. This is how we have to write small letter a. Now write L stroke and vowel stroke, combine together will form small b. Always we have to write slantly the L stroke and the vowel where we have starting from starting point to ending point. We should not lift the pen. Now let us see. It is very simple of vowel shape. Now write vowel stroke, then L stroke and combine together will form small letter D, and this will come and category of upper zone. It is upper zone letter small d. Now let us see small e. Small e is using letter C. Next, letter F. The letter F comes to all lines in the 4-ruled. As I told you in the last video, F belongs to all zones. See friends, like slantly we have to write, then we have to keep hyphen there. Now here vowel shape and J stroke. Combine this together will form small g. Now take L stroke and I stroke, combine these two strokes, we will get small letter H. Now I stroke. I stroke. It is the middle zone letter. Small I. Next, small j. J stroke. J stroke. Don't give any stroke, and the stroke which I wrote here is its look like small j. Now write L stroke. Don't give any stroke. And the stroke which have right here, it's look like R, but it is not R. See friends, this is the way we have to write small letter K. Now write L stroke and lift of the finger, it will form small letter L. Friends, here remember one important point. For all Lucida letters, we have to write lift off at the last of the letter. Now give I stroke to write M. This is how we have to write small letter M. Next, now to write small n using I stroke, we have to write only 2 strokes. At last we have to lift up the finger. Next, small letter O. It is very simple. Only we have to write oval shape, oval stroke. Coming to small letter P, J stroke plus oval stroke combined together will give the small P. Whenever we have to write ending, lift up. Now small letter Q. See, oval stroke plus L stroke. Now see, it is small Q. Next, small R. See friends, letter small R using I stroke and curve till it is middle zone letter. See how to write S letter here. Half circle, reverse, right side and left side, and combine together it will show letter S. Now coming to the T, L stroke, but here we are giving upper stroke and hyphen. Small T. Coming to small U, we have to write the I stroke. It touches only the second and third line. Small U. Next, small V. I stroke and C inside stroke we have to give. For W also same. We have to write V and mirror image V. Form as W. Coming to small X, we have to write the S stroke, reverse mirror images, then we have combine, will give the letter X. Next, coming to letter Y. Now write V stroke and J stroke. Combine together will give letter Y. It is lower zone letter. and coming to Z. Sleeping line, lift up the stroke, will form as small Z. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel.